in between the program. It is not been done. It will be done. Okay. Narokam khainai kharapcha joton stage of khainai naroni bumo bo parani tamo unna muchu bo stream nai naro poreto chung jokon college freshers khayo obhagenu khayo boron aims and objective bro tamo unna muchu oboron chilile that is called freshers okrarok by first student rock Borok Shinilayo. He is from this village. He is from English department. Sunke MBB college ni student ba. Sunke angke MBB college sa first year English honors, bongke maths honors, bongke sociology. Obi ke chuma so. Chini aiming like unka hi. Ake masa. Even TISF tamo organize thake ansainia. Norok no. Kaisa give one give. Should be given. That gift is the memory for long time. And 1999 MBB college first year English honors now board timafura anje sokat mano yakpai mano. That yakpai still preserved in my almira. Abo je sokat tabo khana ani almari wo khadija kong. Khatija nini badri. Okay, that manoi tabon Khatija tomo olophan ani basar no phonoi manne jat ani thinang generation of phonoi manne that is the symbol. Ang college of khasiar hakro ana boi yakpai remania bothanai. Today, obong khan lor result those who come in the first year who join in the new academic era. Norok the first year of admission on Khanero. Norok Nishal. You people will be given a good priority today to say, to perform, and by welcoming, by the senior, by the organization. Today, Tamni Bagi Tini Freshers Kajake, do you not distinctly know ideology? No. Reality, realization, renaissance, revolution, reformation, and struggle for our existence. Tolotanta motto nirtiaise ramona huishiton. Why? It should be distinct. Everybody can see that you have to do that. Everybody able to see. Motto: unity for better tomorrow. Can you understand everybody properly? Narok joton putu bujibai obo. The line of today's, the line of the ideology of the TISF. Betul bujibai? Betul bujibai? Let me explain. Hoyto ba narok no Or je bokta bhai sai thane ro hoyto ba narok properly o jinish no sayana. Let me explain. Antishi amoi so I have to take little time. Your valuable time. Okay. So ideology, reality hinge tamo kubui pate thangmani kubui tongnai kubui kok kethal kok reality real by tongnai kubui by tongnai motu saruni TISF ni realization অনুভূতি অনুভব সাইমান মানি বুঝিমান মানি that is realization. Renaissance. What is the Renaissance? Renaissance is called in Bengali Navajagoran. Navajagoran means katal kisnam katal ke acha khimani katal kisnam khimani. We TIS students, we have to create, we have to perform for the Renaissance. Katal kisnam khimani nangai chini society no. Siwoi, kebuina bujiwoi, kebuina siwoi. Tongmong kahamo tong realization buji mani bisinte Renaissance katal kitchen chini society no forma kene revolution. Revolution in our what is the revolution? Revolution is in Bengali.